In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a simple WCF service in C#. So I have already created a console application in Visual Studio, and apart from this I have also added this assembly system.service model. So let's start. Let's first create a simple interface, I hello, and one method greeting. Decorate this interface with service contract and method with operation contract. Now create the service implementation. So hello service implement interface and provide the implementation, return hello from WCF service. Now decorate this service implementation with operation behavior and it's service behavior and method with operation behavior. Now let's host this service. So in this demo I am using self-hosting. So just create the instance of service host and pass the service implementation, then open the host, print some welcome message, service is running, and then wait for wait for the thread to listen for the request. Now our hosting part is done. Now it's time to configure the service. So go to app.config and inside this type system.service model, and inside services service name equal to class namespace dot service implementation. Then inside this create the endpoint address basic, and then binding equal to basic HTTP binding, and contract equal to this. Go to the inside this create a base address. So host base addresses and add a base address equal to HTTP localhost 9090. So our service URL will be base address plus this address. So HTTP localhost 9090/basic. Now go to the outside service model and configure the metadata behavior. So inside this service behavior and then behavior, and look for service metadata enable HTTP get enable equal to true. Now our service configuration is done. Let's press Ctrl F5 to see it's working or not. So service is running, and if I so you can say our simple hello services sorry, I think already it's let's run again and see. Actually I was previously created this application, so that instance was already running. Now refresh and see if okay, so it's working. Also you can see the metadata is exposed. So now it's time to create client. So just right click, create add new project, select console application client. Run this service. Right click, add service reference, go to http localhost 9090, click add, name it proxy, so our we have already added the service reference. Now create the object of this proxy and call the method greeting and run the both project at the same time so we can verify that client is working. Now run. You can see that uh, we get the response from the service. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe and like, and if you have any comment on this video, please write your comment below this video. Thanks.